What's up, everybody? So I've been taking some heat because my channel went from LS swapped BMW to Kia Forte. Today, I'm going to check out a car. Might be my new project car. And I'm going to get it on a trade, if it works out, for my old camera. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I hope it's not as rusty as it looks in the pictures, but it probably is. We'll see. All right, here we are with a bunch of parked, stored cars, and we've made a trade. I'm getting rid of my old camera, and I traded it for this. A 1980 Volvo 240. And it is rusty and beautiful. So the engine turns over, the starter works, but it's not getting any fuel to the motor, which, to be honest, I don't think matters much. It's in this gorgeous matte rusty red. The rust does not really extend into the subframe or into the frame. I got under there and looked, and it looks okay. Obviously, it's covered in snow. It's been parked here for a few months. So, this is it. We're gonna get it towed back to my place. Now the question is, what do we do with it? So, it's got a big old engine bay. You could probably put pretty much anything in there. The interior is actually in really nice condition. I'll show you. Seats are, they're dirty, but there's no rips or tears or anything. So, I don't know, I may keep the seats. I might end up just getting rid of them, putting some more sporty seats in there. The clock is in good condition. There's other things that are nice. You know, the shifter, the rear seats obviously got stuff on it, but it's in pretty good condition. So, my question to you, viewers, what should we do with this? Should I restore the old motor and just try to bring it back to life as stock? Sounds kind of boring. Or do we do an engine swap? So what should we do? Should we put a V8 in there, a blown V8 with, I don't know, maybe a carbureted Mopar motor in there, a junkyard V6, a high revving 4-cylinder motor with a little turbo on there? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. I'm gonna put a vote. I'm gonna have a little vote down in the comments. I'm gonna put 4 or 5 options in the comments, and I want you guys to give a thumbs up to whichever you would like to see. So yeah, you guys vote. Go vote for what you want to see with this 1980 Volvo 240. And then that's what we're gonna start on. This is the new project. It's a big one. We're gonna more than likely end up stripping it out completely, putting some kind of motor in there, making some kind of track machine. But go ahead and vote. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. So stay tuned on the channel for the newest project, the Volvo track or restoration. I'm guessing that you guys are gonna want me to do something crazy, like put a V10 in there or something. But honestly, what do you guys want? Vote below. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. You know what to do. And let's get this thing home and start really digging into it. Get the snow off the car and seeing what we can salvage, seeing what we can sell off, seeing what we can get rid of for scrap. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.